Hey guys, it's me. Like my allergies have been driving me crazy like already today. So I just thought, why not make a little video for you all? I thought you guys I thought you guys would appreciate it. So yeah, I thought, why not? So yeah, enjoy, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate spring so much. The only season worse than spring is summer. At least that's not until like another couple of months. So I'm safe for a bit. I have to sneeze, but it's stuck. Oh my god, my nose is running like crazy. I'm gonna blow my nose. This is going to sound really gross, so I'm sorry in advance. I think that's enough for today, guys. You can only imagine what I'm going to be like for the rest of the day. So yeah, good luck imagining that. So I'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.